Andhra Pradesh Finance Minister Payyavaula Keshav garu presented the state budget for the financial year 2024-25 with a total allocation of 2,94,427 crores. Here are the major highlights. For school education, 29,909 crores. For Panchayati Raj and Rural Development, 16,739 crores. For healthcare and family welfare, 18,421 crores. For agriculture and allied activities, 11,855 crores. For SC welfare, 18,497 crores. For ST welfare, 7,555 crores. For BC welfare, 39,007 crores. For minority welfare, 4,376 crores. For housing, 4,012 crores. For municipal and urban development, 11,490 crores. For water resources, 16,705 crores. For industries and commerce, 3,127 crores. For energy sector, 8,207 crores. For roads and buildings, 9,554 crores. For youth, tourism and culture, 322 crores. For police department, 8,495 crores. For environment and forest department, 687 crores. This budget focuses on strengthening the state's financial position while ensuring key sectors such as education, healthcare, welfare, and infrastructure receive the necessary funding for growth and development.
కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కు ఉపయోగపడే ఇలాంటి జీకే కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు తెలుసుకునేందుకు మీ ఫోన్లో డైలీ బైట్స్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ యాప్ను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ పోటీ ప్రపంచంలో నిరంతర అప్డేట్గా ఉండండి.